In this video, I'll show you how to use direct payments in Travefy, a helpful feature for travel agents who want to collect payments directly through the app. First, log in to your Travefy account on the website or app. Once inside, go to the Booking section and select the client or trip you want to send a payment request for. Now, click on the Payments tab, and you'll see an option that says Send Payment Request or something similar. From there, choose Direct Payment as the payment method. You'll need to enter the amount you want to collect and add any notes or due dates. Then hit Send Request. Your client will get a message with a secure link where they can pay instantly using a credit card or bank transfer, depending on what you've set up. As your client pays, the payment status will automatically update in Travefy so you always know where things stand. One thing to note: make sure your payment settings are connected to your preferred processor like Stripe or PayPal before sending requests. And that's it. Direct payments in Travefy make it easy to collect money without leaving the platform. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more Travefy tips and travel agent tools. See you next time.